Hi guys, I'm Ezra. Today, as you can see, these are my sisters, and so today, we're having a barbecue right now. As you can see, we're having so much fun. Uh, we're having so much fun, and everybody here is. Huh?
Play the music.
Okay. And my aunts told me to play the music, so okay. And then he said to the man, run to the stand. Hey, bop, bop, bop. Got any grapes? The man said, oh, look who's back, dude. Can you stop our grapes? The duck said, bye bye. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle. Then he waddled away, waddle, waddle, waddle. To the very next day. Bum, 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 I am recording, so I can upload to YouTube, so I can be popular. Popular, you gotta be popular. Wait, just get. Okay, can you stop, please? Okay, you stop. Okay, stop.
Gabby. Gabby. Gabby.
Okay, can you stop for the last time? There are Lego blocks here. I don't know. Let's continue. Discovering something What did he put in there?
Tu peux faire sortir.
Wait, how are you gonna do that? By just shaking it? I don't know how much minute is it gonna take, but I think that's hard. Just let me do it. Why?
Hold it.
Watu hawapendi kufanya mapenzi ya Mungu na inasema bongo wanasambaza Tanzania ni kuanzia Mungu wa habari
Yeah.
Okay, thanks, Abby. See you guys. Okay, Gabby, can you stop for the last time? I told you so many times. Okay, that's it for now. Bye.